Hi guys. So today we will be doing a tutorial video about on how to make custom animation on Roblox Studio. Make sure to like and subscribe if you wanna see more tutorial videos like this. No more chit chat. Let's get into it. First, make sure to set your game more experience avatar to R15 or R6. I will do R6 because it will be more easier to animate. Then, press the play button. Then check on Explorer and click your player's info, then copy animations and stop. And then paste the script or Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Then take it to starter player, then put it in starter character scripts. Open it and there you go. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is open your animation editor in Avatar. Don't forget to insert a rig too. Then you could start animating. I will use some stock animations. Then upload it in Roblox Studio by pressing submit, rename it of course. Then copy the animation and then close it. After you will need to open animations, then press any animations you made. Then paste the id. Press play. There you go. Your animation works perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.